estate versus non-estate assets. It's important to be aware of the distinction here. Estate assets are those that you own in your personal name and they form part of your estate. You can't direct an asset to somebody or direct it in your will to somebody if it's a non-estate asset. And non-estate assets are those that are controlled but not owned by you. So it could be your home that you own jointly with somebody. So if you own a home jointly, then and you die, the ownership of that automatically goes to the joint owner. Except if it's joint tenants rather than tenants in. If it's joint tenants, it will go to the joint holder. If it's tenants in common, so that you effectively own 50%, then it will go through the will. So understand how you own assets jointly. The other thing is trust assets within a trust. The actual trust deed specifies how that's going to be directed, not necessarily a will. Superannuation, as we'll get to later on, also sits outside your will, so you need to make sure that you've got a binding nomination in place to direct your superannuation in the way that you want it to go. Life insurance policies, a similar thing. If you're the owner of it, then you can direct where the benefit goes, but if somebody else is the owner, then you can't direct where that money goes. It's not under your control. And then also, one other non-estate asset is a superannuation pension where there is a reversionary beneficiary. It automatically goes to the reversionary beneficiary as opposed to anywhere else. So just be aware of non-estate assets versus estate assets.